First rates, guys. First rates on your screen. It's a nice steady gap up start, 70 points higher for the Nifty. The breadth is looking meaningfully better than what it has done in a long time. So Sensex is up, Nifty is up. The breadth is looking meaningfully better, and the Nifty is off. Bank Nifty is also off to a good start. Now let's address the newsmakers: GMR, Indigo, Wari. These are three stocks which are news driven, and GMR report is at 79. I mean, just look around and say that how much of air traffic do we have? It's increasing. That explains why things are looking up for Indigo after a solid loss that reported for the quarter gone by, and for GMR also. I mean, they own the Delhi airport, the Goa airport. Those are important airports where the traffic in the sense is increasing. The breadth of the market is solid. The tone and the tonality of the market is much better than what we've seen. So are we in that phase of the market where globally it's a pause after the Trump rally and locally it's a stall after the recent bout of selling?
Okay, not a whole lot by way of specific movers, but let's check in on what an HDFC Bank, SBI are up to in trade. Remember, they were the big contributors in trade yesterday. On the drag side, of course, it was all through and through IT, wherein TCS, Infosys, Trent and BPCL really took it on the chin, or took the fall yesterday. Not such a deep gash really. L&T of course was flat in trade yesterday, and most of these stocks are seeing a little bit of a rebound. Actually, it's not quite bad a start, about almost 0.5% higher. So not really looking all that bad to start off with. GMR Airports, of course, Nikunj highlighted, that's looking good. Interglobe Aviation as well, post the Goldman Sachs target upgrade. RK Forgings, target price 1500 now on the stock. And Wari Energies, wherein the total income has seen an uptick, but not anticipating the market, what the market was actually anticipating. 3.5% lower for Wari Energies after their numbers, and I think the first post their listing. Other than that, of course, there's MedPlus, like we highlighted. There's Z Entertainment as well. Puneet Goenka is going to be stepping down as the MD, and he's going to be focusing on more of the operational responsibilities as a CEO. There's Colgate, there's ITI. They bagged a 95-odd crore rupee contract from the Geology and Mining Department in Uttarakhand. There's AstraZeneca. These are a bunch of stocks which are in focus this morning. But Naresh, what is it that you've been spotting? Okay, I want to just check in on what the likes of IGL, MGL as well are up to. Remember, yesterday, the city gas distribution stocks got a pounding and really took it on the chin, and seems like some more follow-through sell-off definitely is evident because they haven't quite resurrected in trade really. These stocks are still seeing a downtick as we speak right now. What about Honasa? That was locked down 20% in trade yesterday after its dismal earnings. Oh, another 14.5% today too. So that's almost headed in for a near about 40% decline in just 2 days.
This is the market we are in, where you overcommit and under-deliver, then there is no space for you to hide. Similarly, for companies where numbers have been strong, the market reaction is very dinky, and that is weakness of the market. The converse was at play, or the reverse was at play, let's say a quarter and so ago, where bad news was getting ignored, good news was getting amplified. That's the market we are in. It swings like a pendulum. Meanwhile, that's the basket of stocks which are in news: Z, Mahindra & Mahindra, Ramkrishna Forgings, and then we've got Wari along with GMR, and in terms of the assortment.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.